In today's video, I am going to teach you how to transfer a Squarespace website to another account. To begin, go back to the original owner's Squarespace dashboard. This is the account that currently owns the website and has permission to transfer it. Once you are on the dashboard, open Settings. From there, go into Website, then Permissions and Ownership. This is the area where Squarespace lets you manage who has access to the site and who is listed as the owner. When you are in that section, look for the current owner's profile information. You can click directly on that profile, or if you see the Transfer Ownership option next to the user details, select that instead. Both options will take you to the ownership transfer process. At this point, Squarespace may ask you to verify that you are authorized to make this change. If prompted, re-enter the account password or complete the two-factor authentication check. This extra verification is a normal security step, and it helps protect the website from unauthorized ownership changes. Make sure to complete that prompt before moving on. After verification, you will see a contributor drop-down menu. In this list, choose the administrator who was added earlier and who will become the new owner of the website. It is important to select the correct administrator here because the ownership transfer will be assigned to the person you choose from this menu. Take a moment to confirm that the right account is selected before you continue. Once the correct administrator is selected, click Continue. Squarespace will then show you a confirmation step so you can review the transfer before finalizing it. When everything looks correct, click Confirm to complete the ownership transfer. After you confirm, the website ownership will be moved to the selected account. This means the new owner will now have primary control over the site inside Squarespace. If you are doing this for a client, a team member, or a business partner, it is a good idea to let them know once the transfer is complete so they can sign in and verify that everything appears correctly on their side. That is the full process for transferring a Squarespace website to another account. As long as you are in the original owner's dashboard, go to the correct permissions area, verify the account, choose the new administrator, and confirm the transfer. The process is very straightforward. That covers everything you need to know.